Hello everyone, Samuel here from creativetrading.system.com. 21 trades taken last week, so let's get it started one by one. I will show it to you. All right, so this is the first one. Started with the Bitcoin. I started trading Bitcoin only this week, and let me show you the trade. So this is the first one. Sell order is right there. You can see the yellow mark, and this is the entry taken by my CTS5 robot, automatic auto trading robot, right? Taking this, most of the 99% trades are taken by this robot. So let's get started here, right? So Bitcoin, the first one here. Second trade was Euro Yen to the upside. You know the yen is weak and all yen pair just flying to the upside. Pound yen, again from 7-minute chart, 65 pip right there. On the 24th, NASDAQ dropped from here to here. And this one is on the 25th, June 25th, Japan's Nikkei. Beautiful entry and all the way gone. 25 USD CAD down here. Entry was on the 24th because this pair has very small daily range, so it doesn't move much, right? So I have to hold it for the next day. On the 25th, NASDAQ again going to the upside. And here on the 26th June, Euro Aussie dropping for your 50 pip entry here. And this is gold from a 20-minute chart on the 26th. The sell entry is right there. And from 23.25 to 29.97, right? And then this is USD yen, keep going to the upside again, right? And bouncing, it was bouncing from 160. No, this is before. So on the 90 pip here on the 26th, USD yen, buy orders right there, right? And then pound yen again going to the upside for 55 pip. And then Euro yen going to the upside. This was the first one I showed you, and then this is the second one. Pound USD dropping, beautiful entry here, but only 55 pip, small trade. On the 27, pound yen, again going to the upside, 65 pip. And here, USD yen, that's the one that I was talking about that broke above 160.40, big, huge level, and then finding support, and then gone with the wind. And this is the one that I posted on the Telegram as well, if you can see here. I'll show you that I posted here. USD yen. USD is bouncing. See, this is the one that it was bouncing from here. You see that? So I posted here that UJ is bouncing from above 160.40, and then it went all the way to 65 pip. Easy peasy. Okay, on the 27, Euro yen as well went up 55 pip, and pound Aussie from here, entry from here all the way here to 75 pip. This is from 7-minute chart. And this is gold again going down here all the way. And this again gold going to the upside now, right? Gold is just like fluctuating, up and down and up and down, right? And then this is the Nikkei trade, Japan's Nikkei, beautiful entry here and all the way. See this beautiful entries again and again and again and again. On the 28th, and Bitcoin again. The first trade of the week was a Bitcoin. The last trade of this week is also a Bitcoin. And this Bitcoin, for like after a couple of years, I started trading only this week. And I had two trades going to the downside, both of them, because of my. Let me see if I have it. I'll show you quickly that that was my analysis for Bitcoin, and it was like Bitcoin. That was supposedly be a weekly chart. Let me see. Okay, this was the weekly chart. It is on from the TradingView platform actually. So 12 June. You see, this is wave 3, A, B, C, 4. It's supposed to be coming down here, and then we are, right now like somewhere here. So it's keep coming down, and more to come to the downside. Let's see how far it goes. Right. So these are the trades taken, and most of them I posted on the Telegram here, right? And that's why I posted with the reply, make it EJ, long here, gold, short here, all of that. So if you want the system, if you like it, what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to learn how I trade this, so go on my website here, and there's the, oh man. Okay, here, this is the home page here, right? And you can sign up monthly, one-on-one, and EAs, blah blah blah. Everything is here. Recent trades, before and after, harmonic pattern course, Elliott wave course, all of that, right? All my robots here. So whatever you want to take, whatever suits you, just be a part of it and start learning. This is today is like Friday ending, so we have Saturday and Sunday. Get the system, set up the charts, and start trading like this. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the weekend. Okay, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later. Where do I stop recording? Okay, stop recording here. Stop recording.